Hello and welcome to this video on Rep Sports. I'm Snehashish Mukherjee, straight from Birmingham. And again, I am back again with the weather update for tomorrow's game. As we are discussing in this video, obviously we already knew that Australia have won against South Africa, and that's a huge result, as we have discussed earlier also from India's perspective. And now the big game, India taking on Pakistan, and obviously before that, at the same venue at Edgbaston Cricket Ground, Bangladesh will take on the Netherlands. And it's a huge occasion for Netherlands as well, because that will be their first ever game in T20 Women's T20 World Cup. So a huge occasion for them. Let's see how they put up their show. And for Bangladesh also, I think this is a huge occasion for them, huge opportunity for them to showcase that they have improved a bit, because if you see the recent success of them, they have not been a good run of form. So they will like to kick off their campaign with a win as well. But before talking about the matches, let's talk about the the weather updates, what we are getting. See, according to the AccuWeather website, the first game, as I mentioned, the match is going to be happen 10:30 a.m. local time. 10:30 a.m. local time at Edgbaston. According to that, there is no rain threat. Even throughout the day, there is no rain threat. So be it the first match at 10:30 a.m. or be it the second match, that is India versus Pakistan at 2:30 p.m. at Edgbaston, there is no rain threat. So there is no chance of getting any game getting delayed, or maybe any game getting any stopped or something affected. So that is a good update for every fans, because it is expected. Yeah, because it is expected that having a long diaspora of India and Pakistan in Birmingham, there is expected a lot of fans will turn up and a huge game is outing. But obviously there is no rain, but a wind and breeze will be there. There's no doubt about that. Even right now when I'm standing, there's a wind, a cold breeze. So I think that will definitely help the simmers. But overall, spinners might come into the game as the game processes. And as we all discussed, even Harmanpreet Kaur, the Indian captain, also mentioned in the pre-match press conference, the spinners have always been their strength, and she will also hope that in this tournament they will come good and they will do the job for the team. And for Pakistan, obviously there was a scare regarding their captain Fatima Sana. There's an injury scare, but the good news, we have seen in the press conference, and despite seeing her a bit of limping off while leaving out the Edgbaston Stadium, but it's expected that she will be fit enough to take on the field. And who doesn't want to take field against Pakistan if you are playing for against India for Pakistan? When you are playing against India, I think any Pakistan player would have go extra, one extra mile. And I think Fatima Sana, as an inspiration leader, she will do that and she will turn up on the field. So let's see what happens. But the good news, as I mentioned earlier also, that there is no chance of rain. 2 full games and 2 good games might waiting for the fans at Edgbaston. So I think this is as of now. We'll definitely back with all the latest update from Birmingham on all the other games as well. Please keep an eye on Rep Sports, and please like, share and subscribe the channel. Till then, take care and thank you.